Hi, welcome to the Gambling Gardeners. I'm Stan.
I'm Ronna.
And today we're going to be doing some cleanup in the garden. It's mid-January. It's kind of chilly here in Raleigh. As a matter of fact, I think we're expecting some snow in the next day or two. But we're getting ready to start our seeds inside, so we're going to get our garden nice and cleaned up. And today we have an exciting sponsor that we're going to be using for our cleanup today. We're using these compostable bags.
And they're made by ECOLipak. And it is a sustainable company. These bags and their products are compostable, so our cleanup today should be a lot easier. Instead of having to make trips to the compost pile, we're gonna throw it all into one of their bags. These bags are non-toxic and they're plant-based. They're leak resistant and they should uphold a lot of material without tearing.
You know what? Let's see how strong they are. You got one?
Yeah, here.
All right, I think this is their 55
gallon.
55 gallon, not 55 pounds. How big do they come in? What are their sizes?
So the gallons they sell are 1 to 55 gallons.
All right, let's see how strong this is. They're pretty strong. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started in these beds. We're gonna use these bags, show you how they're gonna work, but make sure you stay to the end of the video because we have an exciting discount code for you guys so you guys can purchase these bags and use them yourself. So make sure you stay tuned. So we got this one here we're going to clean up.
This is the wildflowers.
Yep, this is some wildflowers. We got our corn one that we're going to clean up over here. We got this is some old popcorn that we had in here. We're going to pull these out. And then we're going to cut back our asparagus and our artichokes over there. We got one more. We got our lettuce in here that's probably still, wow.
Some of it's okay, but we really need to start cleaning out these beds.
We're all cleaned up and finished.
We're ready to start getting our seeds in the ground pretty soon. We're almost completely cleaned up, but we really want to thank ECOLipak for this opportunity. They have a huge sale going on right now. It's ECOLipak.com. I'll leave the link in the description below, and it is buy 2 of these compostable bags and you get 10% off, or buy 3 you get 15% off. And if sustainability and nature and keeping things kind of more organic matters to you, I would recommend this company. The bags aren't the only thing they sell. They have a lot of other products, and it's a good start to a healthy year. So thanks everybody for joining, and remember,
come grow with us.
Bye now.